In this video, we'll be creating the plate of the vice assembly. The plate serves as a supporting component, ensuring stability and alignment of the moving parts. The drawing files have been attached for reference. You can check them for dimension and you can download the drawing files from the link. Now let's start designing. Invoke new design file. Set your units to mm. Invoke create sketch. Take right plane. Invoke circle tool. From origin, draw a circle of diameter 16. Now from here, another circle of diameter 5. Okay. Now to this side, circle of diameter 5. Take horizontal constraint and the circles make it horizontal. Line, construction line, from origin, vertically draw a center line. Okay, constraint, symmetric constraint, select these circles and center line. Invoke line tool. Now you can start drawing from here. Downwards, straight line, into this horizontal line and a straight line, angled line, horizontal line and connect to this point. Make this line vertical. Okay. Now we'll give symmetric constraint. Select the parallel lines and the center line. Now angled line and center line. Yes. Now take dimension. Between these two small circles, distance is 30. Now this line, length is 34. Now from origin, the distance is 23 and this height, it is 57. Okay. Now the length is 50 and the angle. The angle is 155. Okay, from solid, invoke extrude feature, select the profile to this distance of 5. Okay. Yes. Now we have finished creating the plate and this is the final result.